Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video, we're going to check out another new Klein Tools Modbox item that they sent me out, and this is the Klein Tools Modbox Clipboard. As you can see right there, part number on this is 54827MB. Looking like it's going to run you about 35 bucks. I've seen it on Ohio Power Tool, and I've also seen it over on Acme Tools. Haven't seen it on Amazon or Lowe's yet, but I will update links in the description as I find those. So maybe you're somebody who's going to run that new wall system that I just recently had a video for. Maybe you're going to put that in your garage or maybe even in your work van or something, and you use a clipboard. This is going to latch onto there. It's going to work out with that as well. Or maybe you run a stack like what you see in this picture here, or Modbox in your truck or van, and you use a clipboard. You can always clip these onto the side of those existing mod boxes as well. So multiple things that maybe you could use this for if it's something that you're looking into. So some of the features as we go around the box, again, part number is 54827MB. We have 3 wire clips. We've got this one on the outside that you can see, and there's also 2 on the inside. We have an internal storage pouch, impact resistant bumpers, and then here is the back side of the package if you want to zoom in and check out any of that information. And we can see down here, made in China. So that's going around the outside of the box. I'm going to go ahead and take off this packaging cover, and then we'll check out the details of it on the inside, and then hopefully again you can decide if it's a good fit for you. Out of the package, let's go ahead and go around the outside first. And with the packaging removed, you can see they do have the Klein Tools logo and the Modbox logo kind of printed right there on the top. I think that looks good. I think it also breaks up the orange a little bit. So if you're running this and you don't have your paper on there, it just looks better on a stack. I mean, that might seem stupid, but it does just look better. And then as far as we go around the outside, you do have bumper guards on all 4 corners, and they also didn't just square off the corners. I like how they kind of rounded them or kind of mitered them in a sense. It just makes it a little more comfortable to hold on to, and then it's probably less likely to break if you drop it, even if you didn't have rubber bumper guards. But they've also got that on there for some added protection. Now up here at the top, you also have the Klein Tools logo. This is where you're actually going to mount it onto your rail system. Again, whether it's the wall system or the mod boxes, you can see the little ledge right there. That's what's going to slide onto your rail. Slide it on. It's going to lock back automatically, but then, you know, whenever you want to go take it off, you just pull this down, slide it back off. Works really easy. Now you can see that causes that to bump out there, and then also here, which is going to keep that from laying flat. You can see me stick my fingers under there, but they also made this so where you can push it forward like that. That flattens out the surface that way, this way, and this way. So now it's going to lay flat as you're doing your work. If you've got this sitting on a desk or your, tailgate, wherever it is that you're using it. Now, as far as clips go, this is the only clip on the outside. There's not one on the back side back here. There's 3 clips in total, but again, this is the only one on the outside. You can see here is an 8.5 by 11 sheet or notebook paper, like pad. Fits on there perfectly. You could obviously go with a smaller notebook or pad if that's what you want to use, but this size right here fits on there pretty much exactly. And again, you can also go down here. You've got a flexible pen/pencil holder. It kind of adjusts to some different sizes. So here's a little bit of a fatter Klein Tools pen that I've got. Stick that in there. Grips fine, not coming out. Or I can shift over to a little bit thinner pen and it still grips onto that, and that's not falling out as well. So that's pretty nice. And then the last feature on the outside is the actual latch mechanism to open it up. You can see it's kind of a spring-loaded latch, a lot like the Connect Modbox boxes as well. It's going to go back, so you're just going to pull that forward. That's going to allow you to open this up, and then once you have it to go shut it back, all you got to do is shut it, and that spring latch operates kind of in that same way. So that's everything around the outside. Let's go ahead and open this thing up and check out the inside, which on the inside you can see again, here are the other 2 spring clips. So this side over here is pretty much all the way empty. Here is that same 8.5 by 11, notepad. And if you get it centered in there right, it fits in there exactly. That's what's kind of meant to go in there. Again, you can use a smaller one if you want to. Maybe you run 2 notepads. You want a bigger one on this side as well. You also have another spring clip over here, and this is removable. So you could take this out if you don't want to use it. Maybe you run all notepads and that's what you want to do. This is just held in there with some bungee strap type stuff. But if you're like me, maybe you run a notepad on one side and then maybe you keep receipts or other things like that. You can clip other stuff like that up here as well. And then down in here, you have this pouch right here, which again comes in and out. You can take this out if you want to. I'm going to go ahead and take it out so I can kind of show you up close what you have. So again, it has the Klein Tools Modbox logo. Here is a bigger zipper pouch. So maybe you want to put your receipts in there instead of this, or maybe this is where you keep some pencils, pens, that kind of stuff like that. And then you have a little bit smaller pouch right here on this side as well. And then here are some slots for business cards. So they don't go like the full depth. They basically go about that deep right there, a couple inches. You've got 1, 2, 3, and then you got this one here that also has that clear spot. A lot of people put business cards and stuff like that. Again, you can take this in and out. You can use it for something totally different. If you don't want it in your clipboard, it goes back in and out pretty easy. And then again, just to shut it, all you got to do is shut it and it closes up all by itself. But that is the Klein Tools Modbox Clipboard. Again, part number is 54827MB, 35 bucks. Not a bad price for a clipboard like this, just in general, even if it wasn't Modbox capable. But I think that's what puts it over the edge. If you are in Modbox and you have those rails that you can clip it onto, it's just a good storage spot in your vehicle or in your garage or in your shop if it's something that you use. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. Is this missing something that your other clipboards have? I know I've seen some that have lights and stuff like that on them as well, calculators. Is this missing something, or is this price point and the things that it has, is it something that you're thinking about picking up? Let me know in the comments below. As always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.